officially wearing color medleys of white, hyper pink, cargo khaki, velvet brown, metallic silver and white, racer blue, metallic silver. Veneda Carter's first sneaker collaboration with Nike maintains the silhouette's blueprint. Rather, she incorporates golden aglets and eye-catching color blocking into the sneaker, showcasing her sophisticated taste and penchant for pushing styles. The LA transplant gave comprehensive images of the white and hyper-pink style, which incorporates the latter hue at its Air Max unit, to reveal her upcoming pair. Neither side has yet to provide a complete narrative on the partnership, but Carter's swoosh-branded shoes revitalize Nike's legacy. Here are some pictures of the trainers. Nike SNKRS and a few stores will carry the Veneda Carter X Air Max Muse capsule at the end of Thursday, July 17. On Friday, May 30th, and on Monday, June 23rd, the hyper pink accented style will be released at Naked Copenhagen and on venticarter.com.